Is your phone acting up and refusing to make a receipt call? I know how frustrating that can be, especially when you are expecting an important call. But don't worry, in today's video, I'm walk you through a few super easy way to fix incoming and outgoing call issue on your Android phone. Stick around till the end and let's get this sorted out. Step 1. First, make sure you have a strong signal or network connection on your phone. If the signal is weak, try moving to a different location. Also turn on airplane mode briefly and then turn it back off. This will quickly refresh your network. Step 2. Check your carrier or SIM settings. Go to your phone settings, go to connection, then select SIM manager. Make sure your SIM card is turned on. If it is already on, toggle it off and then back on to ensure it is work properly. Step 3. Restart your phone. So, find the power and volume down button on your phone. Long press it. After the pop-up screen, tap on the restart option, then tap again and automatically restart your phone. Step 4. If your phone uses a physical SIM card, remove it and reinsert it properly. Locate the SIM tray hole at the top or bottom on your phone and push a SIM eject tool, paper clip or earning post into it. 1. The tray pop-outs. Inspect your SIM card to ensure it isn't damaged or broken. If it damaged, you may need a replacement SIM. If everything looks good, place the SIM card flat back onto the tray and slide it back in. Step 5. Check if call forwarding is enabled. Open your phone dialer app, tap on the three dots icon in the top right corner, then go to settings. If your phone is available call forwarding option, tap on there, and if it's turned on, simply toggle it off. But my phone is not show up, this means my phone is not supported. Step 6. Check whether do not disturb mode is turned on. If it's active in your quick settings menu, turn it off. Step 7. Reset your mobile network settings. Go to your phone settings, then go to general management and tap on reset. Select reset mobile network settings to reset. This will not delete any of your personal data. It will only restore network settings to default. Step 8. Update your phone software. Go to settings, then scroll down to very bottom, tap on software update and check for available update. If its mobile data isn't working, connect to Wi-Fi to complete this step. Final step. If none of these steps work, the issue might be on your mobile carrier end. Contact your network provider, operator customer service to verify that your account is active, your SIM card hasn't been suspended, there are no network outage or service disruption in your area. Drop a comment below letting me know which step worked for you or if you are still stuck. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.